Hello, welcome back. You guys are gonna have to forgive the absolute state of me. I'm just chilling at home, but I wanted to get this done and show you guys some bits I've recently kind of purchased. Yeah, so I have stuff from Carter Beauty, Pennies, or Primark, whatever you want to call it, Ted Baker stuff, some Wet n Wild stuff, some other stuff. So let's get going so this isn't too long. So the first thing I want to talk about is something that's dear to my heart, and Bubs Beauty here on YouTube. I'm sure you know her, and if you haven't, that's okay. Check her out, Bubs Beauty. She's doing a thing where she's raising money to build more schools. Now she has built, I think, four or five. I think it's 5 schools, and I think she's working on building another 1 or 2 for Guatemala, I want to say. So she is selling these lipsticks. I will try to leave the link down below for this. It's the Dreams Do Come True liquid lipstick, and there was a shirt as well, and I have it actually. It's in there. It has the penguin on it, and it says love you big much on it. I love you big much on it, a shirt, and it's white and has a penguin on it. And this is the liquid lipstick. I have worn it. There's a picture of me wearing it on Instagram. Check out Instagram if you want to see what I actually really look like, because this is me just out of the shower. Yeah, so just bear that in mind. I'm not wearing really much makeup at all. I just put on some foundation and some mascara just so that I didn't look like I just rolled out of bed. So that's the liquid lipstick there. The packaging is stunning. It's beautiful. You know, it has her family there on it, and it just is super beautiful. I love it. I love the name Dreams Do Come True, because if you dream, dreams do come true, and it's such for a beautiful cause. So if you can, I'll leave the link down below so that you can check it out. The next thing I want to talk about, I was gifted this. This is the Ted Baker London All Eyes on Ted thing here. The light is probably going to wash it out, even though I am losing light really quick, so I'm trying to go through this. It just looks like this, and it's an eye set, so it looks like this on the inside. So you have your 3 eyeshadow little palette thing. You got mascara, eyeliner, liquid, or not liquid, cream eyeshadow sticks, which I have tried the mascara and the eyeshadows, and they're really, really pretty, you guys. So this is a beautiful set that I think you can get from Boots. I'm not sure, and it might be gone soon, but I did want to show you guys that because I have used it before in a video. The next set I want to talk about is this gorgeous, gorgeous Ted Baker set here. I have the packaging kind of off so you guys can see, but it comes with a body spray, which I really like. It's not really pushed in there correctly at the moment. There we go. And then it has the body lotion, a soap, a hand cream, a bubble bath, and a body wash as well, so you can smell just heavenly. This does smell really, really good. I think Ted Baker, no one really talks about Ted Baker, but I think his stuff is really quite nice, and I am liking those sets. I've had Ted Baker body wash before, and it's fantastic. The next product I want to talk about is Carter Beauty by Marissa Carter. So Marissa Carter came out with her own line, Carter Beauty. This is the 12 shade palette in Warm Velvet. So this is the outside packaging, and then this is the palette. I think this is just stunning. So, so beautiful. So it just looks like this. I have used this before, but if you want to see an eye tutorial here on YouTube, please let me know. I do want to give a little more effort to my YouTube channel this 2019. So yeah, that's a palette that I'm liking and I have used, but I can do a look with it if you like. Then I bought the Carter Beauty Half Measure Dewy Foundation. It just looks like this. I think you get 30 milliliters. I think it's just like a standard size. Yep, 30 milliliters. Comes in a tube like this. I got their lightest shade, Marshmallow it's called, and yeah, I've tried it once before. I'm not going to say anything about it yet, but I was kind of okayed with it. I wasn't madly in love with it or anything, but it did look nice. Some more quick makeup bits that I have recently picked up is Rimmel has come out with their Stay Satin Liquid Lip Colors. I picked up one of the nude shades in the shade Psych, and these are really, really nice, you guys. If you can get your hands on one of these or 2 of these or all of them, do it. They're really, really nice, and I think are going to be a staple in my makeup collection. The next thing I have and I want to try and I haven't yet is the Waterproof Camouflage Matte Concealer by Essence. Just looks like this. I got it in the light rose shade. I'm really excited to try that. I picked up the Extra 3D Lash by Rimmel. It was in deals for $150 and I've never tried this mascara. Always looking for a nice mascara. You know, I'll always have my staples, but I don't mind picking up some to try, even though I don't think you can get the Extra 3D Lash by Rimmel anymore. I think that's why it's in deals and stuff. But it might be one that's just good to travel with, so if you lose it, it's not a big deal. A backup of the I Heart Extreme Crazy Volume by Essence. I absolutely love this. It's really, really nice mascara. But be careful, because if you put too much on, it can look a bit clumpy because it gives so much volume, so just be careful with it. But this is Essence mascaras. This one and the Black and Green Princess mascara from Essence are my two favorite mascaras, like, of all time. The next product I have is by Wet n Wild, and it's their Mega Last Liquid Catsuit liquid eyeshadow. I have two others of these. I absolutely love these. I put them in my last haul, I'm sure of it. This one though is called Goldilux, and I think this might be a limited edition, so if you can find it, get your hands on it. But it's a gold, beautiful, beautiful, I'm losing light, glittery, I don't know if you'll see there, but it is beautiful. The lighting is a little off for this video, so I'm very sorry about that, but I just wanted to get these things out so I will start using them and everything. Then I got from deals again, I got their Outdoor Girl True Matte Lip Gloss. It just looks like this. I just wanted to try one. It's the World Class. The shade is really, really beautiful, but I'm not sure about their formula. It feels quite drying on the lips. I've only used it once. The color is beautiful, but the formula, I don't know. I've only worn it once, so I'm going to give it another go. Okay, so yeah, that's that. I'm going through this very quick. The next thing is I went to Pennies or Primark, whatever you'd like to call it, just after Christmas there, and I picked up this coat. It's so bulky and big, and it's just this kind of, hold on, I don't want to get makeup on it, this kind of yellowy, mustard kind of yellow color, has fur on it. I got this for €20. It's just a super cute coat. I might go back here and just throw it on for you guys. I'm in my pajamas even, so just a big bulky sweater and pajamas, but it just looks like that. So that's what it looks like. It's kind of like a little loud, but it's really cute. And for €20, I just thought it'll do for next year as well. So for now and for next year. So that's one thing. And then I picked up this green shirt. I think this is just so cute. I got it in size 16. It looked a bit small. It was normally €9. I got it for €3. It's just this gorgeous green, classy, cute shirt. I'm trying to dress a little more age appropriate because I'm somebody who just like loves to live in like bulky big sweaters and, you know, leggings and or like skinny jeans. But sometimes it's just, it feels really good when you're just a little more dressed up, and I don't have anything green like this in my wardrobe, so I had to pick it up. So you can have the sleeves long, or you can do the kind of rolled up, it's kind of fallen out of that, but it's just a gorgeous green with polka dots, which I don't think I have anything with polka dots at the minute. I have floral, leopard prints, stripes, all that kind of stuff, but no floral. So I picked that up. Oh yes, I picked up this purse. It was normally €10, I believe. I got it for $5, and it's just a gorgeous little, it's not a clutch. I did pick up a clutch from Pennies not that long ago, but it's just kind of got this nice circle detail, gold detailing here, and then it opens and you can put stuff in this front pocket if you want, but it also has a zipper, because I don't like when bags are just like open just by a magnet. I feel like somebody could easily get into your bag, but it just has a zipper and it opens up, and then it's just really pretty, has gold detail on it. I like the gold chain. It's not too big of a bag, because if I start carrying too big of a bag, I just start carrying too much stuff and then my back starts hurting. I do have back problems, so I have to be very careful with how big of my bag is. I've been wearing a backpack recently, but it's just not me. I don't feel like it's me wearing those little tiny backpacks on my back, so I just wanted to get kind of like a classy little bag. So I thought for €5, you can't go wrong. Okay, And then the next one, I did buy another shirt, one of those kind of dressy, beautiful shirts. I got this one in black with like reddy white flowers all over it. Just looks like this. Again, it was only on for €3, so I was just like, I have to get it. It's so cute. I need more of this kind of stuff in my life so that I can look a little more dressed up. Even if I am just going and getting groceries, you just feel that little bit better, whereas right now I'm just wearing a bunch of sweaters and things, and it just, I don't know, I just feel like I need to dress a little nicer. So there's no harm in upgrading your wardrobe, because I'm such a t-shirt, big sweater wear person. I'm like, I need to dress up once in a while. So I got a sweater, and this is, I got it in size small, which is a 10-12, which I am about a 12-14 depending on the shirt. This was normally, it's €10. I got it for $5. I'm just gonna take this small sticker thing off so you guys can see. Hold on, there we go. So it just looks like this. It's just like white with stripes. I used to buy a lot of stuff with stripes. I haven't bought anything with stripes in a really long time. Sleeves are kind of strange, but anyway. So yeah, this is it. It kind of has like a wider kind of fit at the bottom, goes a little longer in the back, has a little slit on the sides. You might be jean my pants. So yeah, it just looks like this. I don't know, I think it's really cute. Again, it just looks the same in the back. A little non-flattering on me, but I think it'll look better with some jeans on. And then it kind of has like this white patch there and there. So I don't know, I think it's quite nice. A bunch of hair baubles. They're out of the thing because I gave a bunch to my daughter, but I bought them, you know, they're $1.50, so. And then the next, actually, the last thing I have to talk about today is these were normally €13. Yeah. They are the, I don't know, tight fit ankle length leggings, and they're like black and white. So I live in leggings. I know I was just saying I don't like dress up enough, but during the week when I'm literally just minding the kids that I mind and picking my kids up from school and taking them to school and things like that, I wear a lot of leggings. These are the ankle length, so they're not all the way down to your ankle, they're just above your ankle. I do like this fit, and I think these are really cute. It has the zipper in the back so you can put some change and stuff in if you need to. These are $12.14. Again, these were normally €13. I got them for $5. So anytime I see workout trousers on offer, I get them because I love them, and I love black leggings, and I love the white detail on the sides. So yeah, that's everything, guys. That is my quick haul. Thank you for not hating me for the way I look. Today it is just one of those days. I just wanted to do this and feel comfortable and everything like that. So thank you again so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Check out my other videos as well. I do a lot of hauls and things like that. So come the new year, I want to start planning some things, some exciting videos and things like that. So yeah, thank you so much. Until next time, guys, take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.